Hi, I am Roxana from WpResidence, and in this video I will show how to import the Seattle demo. On this domain I have installed the theme and the theme included plugins, and now I will activate the theme. I will add here my license code from Theme Forest. I will press check license, and now my theme is activated. The theme supports SVG icons for features and amenities, and for those icons to be imported along with the demo import, you will need to install the SVG support plugin. I will go to plugins. I have the plugin already installed. I will now activate it. I will set it to apply only from admin. And now I can proceed with the Seattle demo import. I will go to WpResidence options, import demo. I will look for the Seattle demo. This is the one. I will press import demo. Continue and import. And I will wait for the content to be imported. This might take a few minutes. The demo was successfully imported. I will now click visit site. The demo content was imported. And next I will show the steps that you need to take after the demo import. First, I will go to theme options. Here you will need to replace the demo settings with your own. I will start showing logos and favicon section. Here you can add an image for favicon, main logo, sticky logo, your logo for transparent header, and the logo for mobile and tablets. In Seattle demo we use a logo with a circle shape. If you have a square one and want to make it a circle as well, you will need to use a custom CSS code. That code is already included in design custom CSS. This is the CSS code. So if you need a square logo, remove this CSS. If you need it to be a circle, keep the CSS. I will go back to general settings. Here in header section you will be able to change the header type. In Seattle we use header type 4 that will be displayed like this. If you need to change this view, you will need to go to theme options header, and here change the header type to type 1, 2, 3 or 5. Next I will go to map section. Here you will be able to select the map system that you want to use. You can keep OpenStreet or select Google Maps. If Google Maps will be selected, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added in theme options. Next I will go to search section. Here you will be able to set the theme advanced search. You will be able to select the type, select the fields that will be displayed, and make other settings. I will go back to the home page. Here you will need to make some manual adjustments to make the page show exactly as the official demo. For this section and this one, you will need to manually add images for the categories used in these widgets. First, I will edit the page with Elementor and show the widgets that you need to check. You will have the WpResidence Grids widget, which will display categories as per your selection. You can select category, type, city, area or county and state. We have selected area for this demo. Here you will be able to manually select the areas that will be displayed in the home page. For all these categories, you will need to go to admin and manually upload images. I will show the second section as well. Here we use WpResidence category slider. For this widget, you will need to manually add the categories that you want to show on front end. Sometimes on demo import these categories will not be selected as the IDs will be different for each domain. So I will select other categories. I will add random ones just to show how this needs to work. I will update the changes made. And now I will go to admin and manually add images for each of these categories. In admin you will need to go to properties. Here you will find all property categories. I will start with categories. First you will need to edit the category. Press the upload image button. Select an image from your device or from media. I will select one from my device. press Insert into Post, and update. The same will need to be done for each category used in the widgets from homepage. Now I will show another example for area. I will edit the category. I will press Upload Image. I will select an image from my device. I will press Insert into Post and update. Since the steps are the same for each category, I will add the rest of the images of the record and show the results. I added all images. Now both sections show correctly. Next, I will show how to set the search form from page header. This search form was created with the search form builder for Elementor. I will go back to the Elementor editor for homepage. Here you will have the search. You can enable navigation to see better the sections in the homepage. So you will have the header, and here you will have the search form builder. In the demo we set it to display tabs, but the categories for the tabs will need to be manually selected. So I will select rentals and sales for tabs. I will update the change made. I will refresh the page. I will select the search form again, and from form fields I will select the tab for each field. So here I will select rentals. For property location, I will select rental as well. You will see that the fields now show under the correct tab. For status, I will select sales, and the same for the second property location. I will update the changes made, and on the home page now you will have the search form with the tabs and the correct fields. The home page is now complete. Next, I will show how to edit the details from the header section. I have already shown where you need to upload the logo. The first logo will be the main one, and the one for scroll will be the sticky logo. The menu elements can be managed from admin appearance menus. Here you will be able to edit main menu and the footer menu. Back to home page. Here you will have a widget area that you can manage from admin as well. You will need to go to Appearance, Widgets, and you will need to edit the header for widget area. Here we added the WP State Social Links widget. On front end you will see only the elements that you filled in. The ones left blank will not be shown on front end. And for the phone number we use a HTML code. Going back to home page. Next I will show the property page. In Seattle demo we used a custom template for properties. So I will open one property. To edit the property page elements, you will need to edit the custom template created for the properties. You will need to edit it with Elementor. This is the element that you need to edit. And here you will be able to play with the available elements, change order, add or remove elements. All the widgets available for property pages can be found under WpResidence property page widgets. You will be able to add them with drag and drop. Next I will go to Theme Options and show where the custom template was set to apply to properties. If you do not wish to use the custom template and use the default theme template, you will need to go to Design, Property Page Settings and just deselect the current custom template. If left blank, then the default property template will apply. I will select back the property custom template. Next I will set Permalinks. I will go to Settings, Permalinks. Here you will need to select Post Name. I will save the change made. These are all the steps that you need to take after the demo import. Now I will quickly show how to edit the homepage content. I will start with header section. This image can be changed if you go to Style section. Here you will be able to, replace demo image with your own. Going further, in headings widgets, you will be able to edit the text. I have already shown how to edit the search form. Next, you'll have a section created exclusively with Elementor widgets. Here you will be able to change text, to change the icons and the text below each icon. Next, you will have the WpResidence grids widget, which I already shown how to set up. For the next section, we used the WpResidence property list card version 6. Here you will be able to display your latest listings. In filters, you will be able to sort listings by category. And in show hide data section, you will be able to select the elements that will show on the property card. You can hide or display elements. Next, you will have the About section. Here you have a section created with Elementor widgets, and you will be able to change text and the image. The image is set as a background image for the second column. You will be able to replace it with your own. The next section is the featured category one. You will notice that this section will be displayed over the previous one. This happens because in the previous section we have added a negative value for the margin bottom. We did this for a better design. If you wish, you can change it. You will find it in this section. In advanced, this is the negative value and you will be able to change it. Going further to the featured categories section, here we use the WpResidence category slider, which I already presented. The next section is for blog posts. Here we use the WpResidence blog post list widget. In the next section, you will have client testimonials, which you will be able to edit. You will have the option to change images, stars, and text. And for the final section, we created a contact section with the agent image and a contact form. The image can be replaced with your own by going to the first column in Style section. The contact form was created with the contact form builder, and you will be able to edit existing fields, add new ones, or remove demo ones. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.